the semester grade point average of a student is 7.549 to the nearest 10 raised power minus 3 grade point average. What is the range of values of these measurements? Solution. Now we can see to the nearest 10 raised power minus 3. And what's 10 raised power minus 3? What does it mean? When you convert this, it's same thing as what? 0.01. Same thing as 0.01. And now you can see if I write 0.001 here, it's equivalent to this. So this is telling us that this semester grade point average of this student is expressed in 3 decimal places. That's the meaning. So in this case, we can get our error. The error is what? Plus or minus 0.001 divided by what? 2. So what are we going to have? That's plus or minus 0.0005. So this is our error. So in this case, we want to get the range of values of this measurement. And it's in the form L subscript B less than equals to A less than U subscript B. Where A is what? Where A is the actual grade point average. Now, for us to find the lower bound LB, L subscript B, then we have what? The express form, which is 7.549, then minus, what do we have? 0.0005. Less than equals to A, then less than U subscript B, which is 7.549 plus 0.0005. Now, when you take away this from this, what do we have? That would be 7.5485. Less than equals to A, less than 7.549 minus, plus 0.0005. That will give us 7.5495. So in this case, this is the range of value in inequality form describing the grade point average of the student. Now we can also write this as 7.5485 to 7.549. That is the range. Thank you.